Hello, Gopher. In the last video, we took a very humble coffee spreadsheet and turned it into something surprisingly powerful using just a few tiny tags. Today, we're going one step further. In this video, I'll show you how Codcel takes that exact same Excel file and turns it into a real Go calculation engine. Yes, actual Go. Not Go-flavoured pseudo-code. Not a code generator that spits out 10 layers you're meant to simplify later. And definitely not a YAML file that somehow is the application. Just Go. Let's start by opening the Codcel app. You can download it directly from codcel.io. On first launch, we see the Welcome to Codcel screen. Let's click Next. This brings us to the Quick Start screen. Again, Next. Now we see a short explanation of how the Codcel credit system works. Nothing scary here. No surprise invoices, no license file hidden inside a zip. Click Next. Now Codcel asks where it should store projects locally. Click Browse. Let's create a new folder called Codcel Projects. Click Open. Perfect. Now click Save and Continue. And that's it. We're ready to go. Click Start. Using Codcel. Before we continue, a quick note. In the top right corner, you can change the theme. If you're feeling adventurous, there's Bumblebee. If you believe dark mode is not a preference but a principle, there's Night. And yes, there is even Lemonade. We're not saying this was driven by a design committee. But Go developers do like sensible defaults and optional flags. For today, let's choose Light. Bold choice. Very readable. Now, one important thing, generating a Go calculation engine is available in the paid version of Codcel. So if you don't yet have a subscription, go to codcel.io, click Pricing, choose a plan, and enter your email and payment details. Once that's done, come straight back here. We'll wait, patiently. Let's log in. Click the Login button. Enter the same email address you used to purchase your Codcel credits. I'll use Anna@codcel.io. Now click Send Magic Link. Because, at Codcel, we don't believe in passwords. Let's check our email inbox. Here it is. The Codcel sign-in email. Click Sign In to Codcel. This opens a verification page on codcel.io. The website now confirms email verified. We return to the Codcel app and click I've verified. Complete. And just like that, we're logged in. No passwords, no password resets, no rules about length, entropy, or emotional commitment. Now let's create our first project. Click Create. Enter the project name. Coffee. Simple. Lowercase. File system friendly. Exactly as Go intended. Click Create Project. On first entry, Codcel shows a short guided tutorial. Step 1. Business specifications. Next. Step 2. Generation settings. Next again. Step 3. Generate project. Next. Select Don't show this tutorial again and click Finish. Now we land on the business specifications page. All we need to do here is drag and drop our Excel coffee file into the box. Let's do that. Perfect. File imported successfully. As you can see, the Excel file is now part of the project. And this is important. The file is never uploaded to the cloud. It stays on your computer. All processing happens locally. Your spreadsheet remains your spreadsheet. No surprise syncs, no mysterious background uploads, and no one silently judging your rounding logic. Now comes the fun part. Let's generate Go code. Click the hamburger menu in the top right corner. From the menu, we'll skip Generation Settings and go straight to Generate Project. Click Generate Project. This brings us to the generation screen. In the top left corner, we can see my name and how many credits I have remaining. Foundation artifacts are already selected. These are always required. Let's scroll down and select Codcel, Go Calculation Library. When this is selected, Codcel FFI is automatically selected as well. And yes, this means we're using the power of a Rust calculation engine under the hood. Before you panic, this is a good thing. Rust gives us deterministic performance, memory safety, zero nonsense, and Go gives us simple structs, strong typing, explicit behavior, and no reason to ever wonder what this code is doing. Best of both worlds, everyone stays calm. Scroll down until we find the Generate button. The button shows how many credits are required. 87 credits in this alpha version. This number may change over time. Click Generate. In a few seconds, Codcel generates full Go source code that lives entirely on your computer. And there it is, project generated successfully. Nothing uploaded, nothing hidden, no black boxes. When I say full source code, I mean full source code. Let's take a quick look. Open the hamburger menu again and select Codcel Go Calculation Library. This opens 3 tabs: Info, Source Code, and Build. We'll go straight to Source Code. Click Open to jump directly to the folder. Here we are, the Coffee Calculation Go directory. You can also click Copy Path and open this in your favorite IDE to start experimenting immediately. But for now, let's stay inside Codcel. Navigate to Package, then Models. And finally, we arrive at some .go files. Let's open costinput.go. A simple struct, as it should be. 2 fields, emergency coffee, and tip. Exactly the same inputs as our Excel file. Now open costoutput.go. As expected, it contains a single field, cost. Now let's look at the calculation itself. Go to Calculation, open cost.codcel.go. This is the API you'll actually use. A single method, Codcel cost. Input is cost input. Output is cost output. It is Go. It is clear, predictable. No builders, no factories, no clever abstractions waiting to surprise you later. This method handles the connection to the Rust engine using FFI. We don't care. From Go's point of view, it's just a normal function call, as it should be. And yes, we even generated tests. Click Test, open costtest.go, click Full Screen. Here we have a test function, test cost. It creates an input with emergency, coffee set to £2.92. Exactly like the Excel spreadsheet. It sets tip to 0. It calls Codcel cost with the input parameter and returns the output. And then we assert that the result is £3.50. From Excel to a fully typed, tested Go calculation engine in minutes. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into this code and actually run the tests. Until then, keep writing Go and let Codcel deal with the spreadsheets. To keep exploring Codcel, visit us anytime at codcel.io. See you in the next video.